Hey everyone, it's Kara. So today I have the Scentsy Scent of the Month kit for September, and I'm really excited about this one because it's kind of Halloween themed. The warmer is. I don't have the warmer, but I can show you what it looks like. And the scent of the month is very like fall themed, so I'm very excited about this because I love fall and winter. That's like my two favorite seasons out of the year. So we'll just go ahead and get started. So, like normal, they have the brochures, which, like normal, I get a huge pack of these. So, the warmer of the month is called Manic Mansion. Look at this picture. That's so cool. The bat and the ghost and the pumpkin, which this is kind of perfect because I'm using my Nightmare Before Christmas mug. I got this off of Amazon. Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm drinking my coffee out of that this morning. Yeah, I got that mug off of Amazon if you're curious. But look how cute this warmer is. And the scent of the month is Caramel Apple Craze, which I love caramel apples. They're like one of my favorite things. So, there is the full brochure. It says Happily Haunted. Oh, I didn't even notice that like creepy picture up in the corner. Right here. It's kind of creepy because her head's down there. Okay, warmer of the month. Manic Mansion. Perfect for the parlor or the porch, the Manic Mansion warmer offsets any sinister Halloween decor with a more approachable haunted house. Handcrafted in metal and including a green light bulb, the warmer's ghoulish glow, friendly ghosts, and broken screen door humbly beckon you in. Lift the roof to warm your favorite fragrance. Okay, so it has a green light bulb that you use, and it says that the wax goes in here at the top. So you lift that part up. And the scent of the month is Caramel Apple Craze. Creamy golden caramel, sweet red delicious apples, and whipped vanilla invite you to be a trick-or-treater again. Guys, I've already smelled this, and I could not stop smelling it yesterday when I got this package. So, like normal, they send me 9 bars of this. So, and this is for us to make samples, but Caramel Apple Craze. Oh, I just got some on my fingernail. It's a little red bar. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love a lot of the scent of the month kits, but this one is definitely my favorite because, like I said, I love fall and winter. So, like the scents in fall and winter are a lot stronger than they are in the spring and the summer. I love the fruity scents, but it's something about like the fall and the winter, like muskier scents, I really love. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's very strong with the apple scent. And you can smell the caramel. The dogs are making noise because they're locked up. We have somebody coming to fix our kitchen window, and I had to put them up, so they're kind of going crazy because they don't like to be locked up in the bedroom. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Honestly, if you never buy anything from Scentsy, if I would suggest anything, it would be this, because this is one of the best smelling scents I've ever smelled from Scentsy. And I love a lot of scents from Scentsy, but this one is so good. It's so good. Okay, so we got the tester, the room spray, the scented stickers. Okay. Like normal, everything's at a 10% discount, so Here are the price points. $45 for the warmer, $2.70 for the scent circle, $5.40 for the bar, and $7.20 for the room spray. I cannot wait to use the room spray in my house. Probably after he leaves with the window, because it's kind of broken, so a lot of the air and stuff is going outside. But after he leaves, I'll probably put one of the bars into a warmer downstairs and like spray the room spray everywhere and have my whole house smelling like fall by the time my sister comes home. Yeah, I've already got out some of my fall warmers, and it smells so good. So, like I said, I'm very excited about this scent of the month kit along with the warmer. I might have to go buy the warmer myself. That's so cute. I love Halloween. My sister does not, so, but how could you not love that? That's so cute. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, everyone.